So I have here a power tool organizer. I'm going to show you how to assemble this and then show you how you can use it. So the first step is going to be to assemble this bottom shelf. So what you're going to want to do is get the two side plates, figure out which way the front and the back is, and then install that bottom shelf on top of this bottom piece here. So with these next two shelves, you're going to want to make sure you get these two side pieces on the bottom shelf here, and then the other two go up top. Make sure you look in the instruction manual to see which ones go where, because you want to make sure so that you're not messing up, to make sure everything hangs like it's supposed to. So I've got this one here, this one goes on this side, and you just kind of slip it in between the shelf and the stand for those ones. Then you put in those screws, then you do the same thing up top, and then you can tighten everything up. So I got everything finger tight. Now I just need to go in with the included wrenches and tighten all the bolts up. Okay, so I got everything tightened up. Now I just need to go find where I'm going to mount this on the wall and mount it to the wall. So now that it's assembled, all I need to do is mount it to my wall. I'm going to be putting it right here. So I got to just mark my spots, and then I'll run in one screw, level it up, and run in the rest of the screws. Okay, so I got it installed on the wall here. You can see it looks really good. I got a bunch of my tools on here, and you can see it's holding a lot of stuff. It's holding a lot of weight. I got 3 different drills, 2 different saws, grinder, router, plus tools and bits hanging on the sides, which is really nice that it's going to hold everything and keep it nice and organized. So this power tool organizer is super nice. It has lots for a lot of different tools, and it has the ability to support all of them with all the weight that goes along with it. I'd recommend this to anybody that has some power tools and they want a really nice, convenient, and easy way to store them and keep them organized and close and ready to use. You can see just how easy they are to take on and off.